We'll go through the last classes exercises. I give fruits to people.
Aham dadami janaya phalam.
Aham dadami janaya. Okay. People is plural, so you can use janebhyah. See the chart. Janebhyah. Okay. Aham janebhyah phalam dadami. Okay.
Is it phalam or phalina, Acharya?
Oh, phalani. Fruits in plural. So aham janebhyah phalani dadami.
And is it isn't that the object?
Yeah, fruits. The word fruits is object.
Okay.
So aham janebhyah.
Yachami can also be used, right? Yachami.
Yachami, yes. Aham janebhyah phalani yachami. Yeah.
Me or dadami.
Dadam, both. Okay, next is you go to the forest for flowers.
Tvam
Rupa ji.
tvam vane pushpebhyah gacchasi.
So vanam. So tvam pushpebhyah vanam gacchasi. Okay.
Vanam.
Okay, next. People work for the sake of wealth.
Janaha
Okay.
dhanina karyam kurvanti.
Okay, dhanaya. Janaha.
Dhanaya.
Okay. Let me. Janaha dhanaya karyam kurvanti.
Right.
Okay, good. So now make some sentences. Namaha.
Guruvai namah.
Devaya Namah. Devaya Namaha.
Devaya namaha. Shovanam. Dadami.
Aham daridram vastram dadami.
Daridraya.
Daridraya.
Aham daridraya vastram dadami.
Daridraya.
So we have our Acharyaji.
Hmm.
Aham daridraya bhojanam dadami.
Shovanam. Good. Krudhyati.
Rakshika Choraya Krudyati.
Shovanam. Rakshika, the lady police officer. Krudhyati, angers and a thief. Rakshika Chauraya Krudhyati. Next is Alam.
Acharya ji, can we say Aham Rameshaya Alam?
Yes. I am a match for Ramesh, or I am able to handle Ramesh. Yeah.
तो किसी के नाम से बोल सकते हैं गुरुजी, किसी के
Ramesh.
Yeah, why not? Ramaha Ravanaya Alam. Rama is a match for Ravana or sufficient for Ravana. It means Ram doesn't need any help to fight with Ravana.
We have said this. I wonder if you can give feedback on
Yeah,
that.
please.
Shishya adhyapakaya na alam.
Shishyaha.
Shishyaha Adhyapakaya na Alam. Okay. Anyone else wants to say something about fourth case? Rupa ji?
I have written Lata Nitayai Nrutyat Alam.
Nritye, okay, in dance,
Yes.
Lata is Alam. Very good.
Okay.
So today we'll practice little bit Lot Lakara, imperative mode for command or request, and also the Lot Lakar is used for optative mode, is used to indicate a wish or a desire, similar to Vidhiling Lakar. So practice with me. Bhavatu, Bhavatam, Bhavantu.
Bhavatu, Bhavatam, Bhavantu.
Bhava, Bhavatam, Bhavata.
Bhava, Bhavatam, Bhavat,
Bhavata, Bhavata.
Bhavata.
Bhavani, Bhavava, Bhavama.
Bhavani, Bhavava, Bhavama.
So bhu means to be or to become. Bhavatu, it may be pat. Prathama Purush.
Patatu, patatam, patantu.
Yeah, pat means to fall. Patatu, it may fall. Okay. Then gam. Gam will become gacha. Sriji. Madhyama Purush.
गच्छतव
No, gaccha,
गच्छ गच्छतं गच्छत्
gachata. Okay. Srav. Srav means to leak, to flow, to stream, or to drop. So dropping water from something. Okay. So Hinduji, Srav, Uttama Purusha.
Sravani, Sarvav, Sarvam.
Very good. Sravani, Sravava, Sravama. Yeah. So next is Viram, to abstain, to cease. Viram. So Kapilji, Pratham Purush.
Viram.
Hmm.
Viratu,
Viramatu, Ramatu,
Viramatu.
Viramatu,
Viramatu, Viratam,
Viramatam, Viramatam,
Virantu,
Viramantu.
or Viramantu.
So next is Hri. Hri means to take away. It will become Harati. Hara. It will become Hara.
Hara, haratam,
Haratam,
harata.
Harata. Okay. Rupaji, Pat, to fall. Uttama Purusha.
Patani,
Hmm.
Patava, Patama,
Patam. Okay. Nareshji.
Patama.
Yeah. Raksha. Prathama Purusha.
Rakshatu, Rakshatam, Rakchantu.
Rakshatu, Rakshatam, Rakshantu. Okay. Lakshmanji. Jeev. Madhyama Purusha. Jeev means to live. Aham Jeevami means I live.
जीव जीवतम जीवत
Jeevata. Okay. Okay. So Ninda. Uttama Purush. Ninda means to Ninda karna, to condemn or to censor like this.
Nindani,
Ah.
Nindad, Nindam.
Nindani, Nindava, Nindama. Ani, to bring, it will be Anayatu, Anayatam, Anayantu. Then Chor, to steal, Chorayatu, Chorayatam, Chorayantu. You go, he may go, may I go, could I go, like this. Okay. So this is Lot Lakar, you have already learned. So now come to the Panchami Vibhakti. In Panchami Vibhakti, in English it is called ablative case, apadana karaka, fifth case. So now we'll practice the Rupa, Shabda Rup. Then we will go to learn the rules. Practice, repeat after me. This is Bala word, masculine Pullinga. In fifth case, it will be Balat, Balabhyam, Balebhyah.
Balat, Balat, same.
Balebhyah. Okay. A ending feminine. Lata means creeper. Latayaha, Latabhyam, Latabhyah.
Latayaha, Latabhyam, Latabhyah.
E ending feminine. River, Nadi. Nadyaha, Nadibhyam, Nadibhyah.
Nadya,
Yaha, Nadibhyam, Nadibhyah.
Phala, fruit, neutral, it's just like a masculine A ending. So phalat, phalabhyam, phalebhyah.
Halat,
Labhyam, Phalebhyah.
Phalebhyah. Okay. So
Yeah.
this is the whole fifth case chart. So now we'll go to the rule. The first thing that is called ablative case in English. So the first rule is to indicate the place from which the action proceeds or begins. Like I go to the office from my home. So my action going begins from the home. So that's how we'll use fifth case in home. Aham grihat karyalayam gacchami. Aham mala I, grihat fifth case, karyalayam gacchami. I go to office from home. My going action proceeds or begins from home. That's how Gruha is fifth case. Anger proceeds from greed. Krodha, anger, lobhat prabhavati. So from greed, So krodha proceeds from the great, so that's how lobhat is fifth. Waterfall is flowing from the mountain. Waterfall is nirjara, like Niagara nirjara. So Niagara nirjara sravati, from where? Mountain. The word is giri, e ending, it will become girehe. If you don't know girehe, then you can use parva. Okay. What will be the parvata? If it will be parvata, how to use it?
पर्वते हैं
Parvatat.
Parvatat.
Jalam Parvatat.
Like balat. Na? Nirjaraha parvatat sravati. Jalam akashat, the water falls from the sky. Water, jalam, falls, patati, from the sky, akashat. Clear? Okay. So this is the first rule. The second rule is the word which expresses the origin or the source of something will be in this fifth case. So the origin of anything will be marked in fourth case. Suppose Ganga Himalayat Prabhavati. The Ganga river originates from the Himalayas. So Himalayat. Next is cause or motive. If the cause, the word which expresses any cause or motive of the whole sentence should be used in fifth case. Parvato Vanniman, the mountain has fire in it. How did you know it? Because of the smoke, because there is smoke. So smoke is the cause to know that there is a fire in mountain. So dhuma, dhumat. Okay. Saha dhanam chorayati. Skip the lobha. He steals money. Why? What is the cause? Out of greed. Lobha, because of greed. So lobha is the cause. And dhuma is the cause. So that's how these are in fifth case.
What is that? Vainiman, what is that?
Oh, this is Vanni. Vanni means fire. Man
Vanni.
means, okay, Vanni man means anything which possesses Vanni, like Shriman, like Hanuman,
Okay,
anything which possesses. The Parvata possesses fire,
because of this smoke.
not because of. How did you know? Because there is a smoke.
Smoke. Okay.
So, yeah, Dhuma is here cause. That's it. So Vanni means fire. Remember, Vanni, Agni, Vanni, same thing. The point in time and space from which the distance is measured. Suppose you are measuring something from your house. You want to say your guest. Your guest asks you, I want to go to the lake. So you are saying, yeah, the lake is 3 miles from my house. So Grihat Yojanam Radha. Radha means lake. Grihat is in fifth case. In the measurement process, this is the point where the measuring starts. Yojanam means this is Indian way of measurement. It's about 2.5 miles or something. 3 miles about, I am not sure, but it's about 3 miles something. So Yojanam. Okay. So next is the ablative case is governed by some verbs. There are some verbs. Those also govern the ablative case. Like viram, to desist. Viramati, viramataha, viramanti. Pramad, pramadyati, pramadyataha, pramadyanti. Bhi, to fear. Vibheti, vibhitaha, vibhyati. Rakshati, rakshataha, rakshanti, to protect. Or trayate, trayate, trayante. Trai is Atmanepadi. That we will learn later. So all these verbs, if you are using any of these verbs, then you have to use the fifth case. Take an example. Virama. So root is viram, to digest, and what will be in lot lakar? Madhyama purush ekvachan, viram, virama, bhu bhava, pat patha, gam gacha, srav srava, viram virama. So bhava means be you, patha means you read, gacha means you go, hasa means you laugh, virama means you digest, you cease. So now come to the point. Adhyayanat ma virama. Okay, ma in Sanskrit, in Hindi ma means mother, in Sanskrit ma means don't. Ma hasa, don't laugh. Ma kranda, don't cry. Ma, है ना? So ma, don't. Adhyayanat ma virama, don't desist from studying. So fifth case is in adhyayana. Papat virama, yes, desist from sin. है ना? Stop doing sinful things. Swadhyayat ma pramada. Pramadyati means neglecting something, doing carelessly. So carelessness, neglecting, this is the meaning of pramada. Pramad. So swadhyayat ma pramata, don't neglect self-study. Saha swakaryat pramadyati. Saha he swakaryat, about his own work, pramadyati, careless. He neglects his own work, or he is careless about his work. So the word is pramadyati. Bibheti, to fear. Balah sarpat bibheti. The child fears the snake. I fears the tiger. Aham vyagrat vivemi. You fear the deep water. Tvam gabhira jalat viveshi. And tvam papat viveshi. You fear sin. So sin will be in fifth case. Papat. Then rakshati, to protect. Arakshakaha janan durjanebhyaha rakshati. The police officer, rakshati, protects janan, people, from bad people. Durjanebhyaha. So you can use rakshati, is simple because you don't know what is trayate. Trayate means to protect, but we didn't learn how to use it. This is another way of verb. So you can use now rakshati. So there are some other verbs. Varayati, varayati, varayatah, varayanti. Varayati means bearing. In English also bearing, in Sanskrit also var. The same thing. He is bearing, or he bears the cow from paddy. Paddy means dhana. Oh, it's a wrong. It's not dhanya. It should be dhanya. The word is dhanya, means paddy.
What is variety means?
To bear him, to stop him, not to allow him.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
So he stops the cows or bears the cows from the paddy. So he doesn't allow cows to go to eat the paddy. Like aham markatan balat varayami. I stop or bear monkeys from the child. Yeah.
Bharyati is another word of use is to prevent. He's preventing.
Yeah, prevent. Yes, prevent also. Yes. You can use also prevent. Niliyate means to hide. So who you are hiding from will be in fifth case. Like Krishna matuhu niliyate. Krishna is hiding from his mother. Okay, niliyate. Jugupsate, to hate. Good people hate sin. Dharmikah papat jugupsate. There are some indeclinable words which also govern the ablative case, such as prak or purvam means before, anantaram means after, bahihi means outside, rite or vina means without, prabhruti or arabhya means from, ever since, anyaha, itaraha, bhinna means other, different, etc. We'll go one by one. Prak and purvam. Bharatam America deshat purvam asit. India was there even before America. America as a nation. Tvam Ramat purvam agacchaha. You went there before Ram. Pancha varshebhyaha prak. 5 years before. Tvam Newark nagare asihi. You were in Newark. When? 5 years before. Is it clear? So you can use prak and purva. But you have to use the 5th case. Anantaram, after. Ramat anantaram Lakshmanaha jataha. Lakshmana born after Ram. My younger brother born after me. Mat anantaram mama kanishta bhrata jataha. Kapilat anantaram Rajivaha vadatu. May Rajiv speak after Kapilji. After anantaram. Then bahihi. Bahi means outside. Like you want to say, there is a tree outside of the house. Grihat bahihi vrikshaha asti. Okay. Houston nagarat bahihi krishi kshetram asti. Krishi kshetram, farmland. There is farmland outside of the Houston city. Houston nagarat bahihi. Rite vina. Same meaning, without. Jalam vina na jivami. Jalat vina na jivami. Jalat rite na jivami. See, ye jo vina and rite, these are very popular words. You can use 3rd case, 2nd case, or 5th case to use vina. You can say jalam vina, jalat vina, jalena vina. So there are 3 cases. So now, prabhruti and arabhya, both of these words mean from or ever since. Like you want to say, adya prabhruti aham sanskritam pathami. I read Sanskrit since today or from today. Sa balyat chapala. What does it mean? Sa balyat chapala.
She's naughty.
That girl is naughty ever since childhood. Chapala. Chapala means naughty.
Sad balat, sad balya.
Balyat. Balyat means from the childhood. From since childhood. Prabhriti. Prabhriti or arabhya. Okay. Sa balyat prabhriti chapala asti.
Sa balat, balyat, prabhuti, chapla asti.
So suppose you want to say, aham balyakalat sanskritam pathami. I learn Sanskrit since my childhood. Or you can say, he runs since his teenage. Saha kaishurat dhavati. Teenage means kaishura. Kishore means teenage boy. Kishori means teenage girl. Bala or Shishu, that is childhood, child. Bala or Shishu. Then Kishora, Kishori means teenage boy and girl. Then Taruna, Taruni, youth boy and youth girl. Then Praudha, Praudha. Praudha means not young but not old, like for, after 40. 60, 65, something like this.
Vriddha is also Sanskrit word.
After Praudha, then Vruddha. Vruddha means grown.
I see.
So there is no, grown means there is no chance to grow more. So grown.
Old.
So in Sanskrit, there is no word old. Vruddha. Vruddha means grown. So that means your growth is already done. So these are the different stages. Bala or Shishu, Kishora, Taruna, Praudha, Vruddha. Different stages in Sanskrit. Okay, so next stage, Anyaha, Itaraha, Vinnaha. Same meaning, 3 words, other, different. Ramat, Anyaha, or Itaraha, or Vinnaha, Saha. Saha means he. He is different than Rama, or he is different from Rama, or he is other than Rama. That means he is not Rama, he is someone else different from Rama. Prabhoho anyaha kaha rakshet. Who can save me other than the God? Other than the God. So Prabhu in 5th case. So the word will be Prabhu. And from Prabhu, 5th case, it becomes
Prabhu.
Prabhoho. The root word is Prabhu. Prabhu means God.
God.
Powerful. Yeah. So Prabhoho anyaha. Other than God. Kaha rakshet. Who will save? So now, last one. Those words used for the sense of comparison. If there is a sense of comparison in a sentence, so you have to use 5th case in that. So suppose you want to say, truth is superior to falsehood. Truth is superior. In English, you use like superior, better, bigger, like this. In Sanskrit, we use tarach, tara. Satyam asatyat vishishyate. Means truth supersede the falsehood. America is bigger than India. America deshaha bharatat vishala taraha. The word is taraha. Tara. Tara is a superlative
Suffix.
Suffix, yeah. Superlative suffix. So taraha. Like in English, you use superior. Vishala taraha. Dirgha taraha. Sundara taraha. Lamba taraha. Any adjective use tara. Tara means super. So Vishala taraha. So America desha is bigger than India. Bharata. Honey is sweeter than jaggery. Madhu gudat madhurataram. Madhu, no visarga. Gudat. Guda means jaggery. Madhura means sweet. Tara means superlative suffix. Sweeter. Sweeter than. Okay. So these are the 7 rules. So please go through and make the abhyasas.
चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और वीडियो अच्छा लगे लाइक भी जरूर करें।